Welded heat exchanger is an indispensable equipment in industrial production, widely used in various fields, which greatly improves the efficiency of energy use, reduces production costs and enhances productivity. HFM Welded Plate Heat Exchanger is made of stainless steel plates welded together to form a compact and durable heat exchanger. Welded plate design minimizes the risk of contamination and allows for easy cleaning and maintenance. The materials, construction and design of the HFM Welded Plate Heat Exchanger avoids bacteria and guarantees the purity and hygienic quality of fluids used in the production of food, beverages and pharmaceuticals. HFM Welded Plate Heat Exchanger's thin sheet metal thickness and compact design make it much smaller and lighter than traditional heat exchangers. Therefore, it is also easy to install and dismantle, which greatly reduces maintenance costs. HFM Welded Plate Heat Exchangers provide efficient heat transfer, ensuring optimum performance in any setting across multiple applications.